Rad, meron akong card trick na ipapakita sa'yo. Gusto
Sige lang.
mong makita?
Sige, sige.
Okay.
Gusto.
Watch. Kuha muna tayo ng card. Okay. Kuha muna tayo ng card. Okay. So, meron akong 9 cards. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Okay. Meron tayong 9 cards. Dito sa 9 cards natin, Rad, meron tayong Jack, Queen, King.
Queen King.
Okay. Meron tayong Jack, Queen, King. Okay. And Jack, Queen, King. Okay. So, tatlong card na may Jack, Queen, King. Di ba? Okay. Watch that. Jack, Queen, King. Jack, Queen, King. And
Jack,
Jack, Queen, King. Okay? Pupush natin yung mga cards. Watch that. I-wave ko yung kamay ko dito sa itaas. Pag snap ng finger ko, lahat ng Jack mapupunta dito sa itaas. Kita mo?
Ala.
Jack,
Ah. Jack Queen King to.
the Queen, and the Kings. Bang! Magic.